Are you thinking about using prfrmHQ to manage review periods, performance plans, and set goals? Well, we released a new feature yesterday. You've previously met Jessica. Here's Jessica's person record. This is where we link performance, plans, and goals. Today, we'll show you how to use the prfrmHQ's Team Status panel to see the status of plans. You can do this for private spaces, shared teams, and the all-in open and transparent team spaces. Use this to get a view of review periods, plans, and their status. You can view for the team you're in currently, but without switching teams, you can toggle to see all teams you are involved in. Isn't that easy? Track, manage, and improve individual, staff, and team performance using Perform. Give ArchitectFWD Performance, prfrmHQ, a try today at prfrmHQ.